Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl. New month, new Mr. Nola's Glitters Wanderlust box. Yay! So this is our August box. It just came to me today in August. So I think today is August 7th, I think. I don't know when you'll be seeing this, hopefully very soon from when I do the opening, but we're going to do the opening right now. So here we go. See, that is beautiful. Where are we going? Basque Country in Spain. We hope you're feeling the... Oops, hang on a sec. Let me take this off so it's not in the way. Okay. We hope you're feeling the vibes this month as we get in touch with our natural side at the Gorbea Natural Park located in Basque Country, Spain. This abundant park is known for the Gorbea mountain peak, I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, as well as many trails for hiking, biking, and horseback riding. The streams and waterfalls throughout make it a scenic destination for surrounding yourself with Mother Earth and maybe doing a little bit of yoga. This lush environment inspired your souvenirs this month with a little added boho flair. XOXO, wish you were here. All right, that is beautiful. I'm going to take everything out of the box before I start trying to match things up with the postcard here. We'll just get it all out and then I will try and do things in order. Okay, I'll move this out of here. Alrighty, so let's see. Number one, Natural Avant-Garde Clear Cast. Okay, that would be this. Very pretty designs. A sheet of the best eco-solvent material from Crafty Thrivin' LLC, this clear cast features gorgeous and bright illustrations of dream catchers, arrows, and bees. I don't see any bees. Do you see any bees? I see an owl. Oh, there's a bee. Okay, never mind. And bees to adorn your boho projects. Wow. Let's see if I can get that a little closer for you without any glare. Those are very pretty designs. All right, next up, Falling Leaves Macrame Kit. Oh boy. Oh boy. This kit includes everything you need to create an intricate piece of hanging macrame art. The shades of sage green and ivory are sure to complement any home or craft room decor. Wow, so this is one of these beautiful hanging designs. It looks like you can, okay, so I see a feather, or a leaf. I guess that's supposed to be a leaf. Wow. I have never done anything like this. I know people love doing macrame, so maybe we'll give this project a try. Maybe. Okay, up next, Wings of a Butterfly wood set. Okay. A set of 3 wooden butterfly wings from our friends at Wicked Gold. Okay, that's what this is. Ooh, pretty. Very, very pretty. Look at that. Let's see. We've included the hardware to make the set into a pair of adorable earrings and a cute keychain. We suggest taping off the back and filling with epoxy and glitter to create your own sparkly creature wings. Check out the Wicked Gold Facebook group for more tips and tricks. So this would be the hardware for a couple earrings and a key fob, or key ring. That's really cool. All right. Neat projects. Okay. We have boho bracelets. Show off your love of travel with this chunky beaded bracelet. Each one comes in a variety of colors and is adorned with Wanderlust themed charms. Oh, there's a charm. That goes pretty. Look at that. And this one has Eiffel Tower, and a heart with love, and an owl. And there's an airplane. And I don't think these two have, so we have 3 without charms and 1 where the charms have been added. Those are very, very pretty. Very pretty. Okay. Next up, Bohemian Collection. Okay, time for our glitters. Let's see what we have. Let's see. Wild Child is, of course, last. Then Flower Crown. What do you say that? Asana? Asana, I guess. And Chakra. Okay, Wild Child. This lime and grass green mix is reminiscent of the lush greenery found in the Gorbea National Park. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous hollow. Let me get my little spoon. Wow, as usual, filled to the brim. Let's see if I can, like I say every time, let's see if I can focus in. I will refocus after we look at all of these. How about that? Flower Crown, a mix of pastel pink and deep purple flakes, makes this mix inspired by the variety of flowers found throughout our travel location. And I'm spilling it all over, but that's what happens when you cram so much glitter in a little jar. All right, then Asana, named after the poses in yoga. Okay, that's why I don't know the word. I don't yoga. I don't. This sea teal and deep blue mix will inspire relaxation within. Well, it certainly appeals to me because I'm all things blue. I have the little shovel backwards. There we go. Very, very pretty. Again, these are all holographic. There's a tacket in our future. All right, this last one is Chakra. Though this glitter doesn't include all of the colors of the chakra, it does have both gold and black flakes to make up a gorgeous mix. Oh, I see the black now. That's beautiful. Here we go. Last item, dried pressed wildflowers. A sleeve of vibrant dried pressed flowers to use in resin projects. These are perfect to fill your wicked gold wood pieces with a little natural beauty. That would be nice, wouldn't it? It would take some creative clipping, but that's a doable thing. Okay, so to recap, we have our beautiful macrame kit. We have our wooden wings and the hardware to turn them into jewelry and a key ring. We have our Crafty Thrivin' LLC clear cast in various gorgeous patterns. We have our dried pressed flowers. We have our 4 bracelets with multiple charms. And we have our 4 gorgeous glitters. Chakra, Asana, Flower Crown, and Wild Child. And here is our postcard. There you go. So I will be making a video soon when I figure out what I'm doing. Keep watching out for that. And thank you so much, everybody. Stay safe. I will see you in the next video.